Hello, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in or out of a Microsoft Word document. Adjusting the zoom level in Word helps you see your text more clearly or fit more content on your screen at once. Whether you want a closer look at the details or an overview of the whole page, it's quick and easy to do. Let's get started. First, open the Word document you want to zoom in or out. Look at the bottom right corner of your Word window. You shall see a zoom bar showing the percentage. Click the pluses button to zoom in. If you zoom in too much, the entire page may not fit on your screen. In that case, horizontal and vertical scroll bars will appear so you can move around your document. Click the minuses button to zoom out. You can also hold the control key and use your mouse scroll wheel. Scroll down to zoom out. Scroll up to zoom in. This is the quickest method if you have a mouse. That's it. Now you know how to zoom in and out of a Word document easily. Good luck. See you in the next tutorial.